Today is day 1 of my Lakshya JEE 2027 journey. I am starting this with a clear goal in mind to stay consistent and focused every single day. This is not about motivation, it's about discipline and showing up even when I don't feel like it. I know the journey won't be easy, but I'm ready to put in the efforts and improve step by step. From today, I am trying to use my time better, avoid distractions, and stay committed to my studies. Let's see how far I can go with this mindset. This is just a beginning. I am all set for my class of Lakshya J 2027. Everything is ready. My study table is arranged, tab is on, and all my notebooks are on place. Right now, I am just sitting and waiting for the class to begin. There's a mix of excitement and a little nervousness, but mostly I am focused on starting this journey properly. Before starting, I wanted to begin this in a positive way, so I asked my mother to write on my new notebook. It feels good to start something important with her blessings. This is new beginning for me, and I wanted to stay consistent from day 1. After waiting for a few seconds, the class finally begins. This is my first physics class, and this time I am studying with Saleem sir. The class is going well and sir is explaining the concept in a very clear and a simple way. I'm trying to stay fully focused and understand everything properly. The class timing is from 4:15 pm to 6 pm. So it's quite a long session. During the class, I am making sure to take a proper notes and stay engaged. I don't want to miss anything from the very first day. After the class ends, I take some time to clean my study table. Then I take a short break and go outside for a few minutes to play badminton. It helps me relax a bit and refresh my mind before the next class. After the break, I come back and sit again for my second class, which is maths. My maths class is from 6:30 pm to 8:30 pm and I'm studying with Tarun sir, TK Dawn. Since it was the first lecture, Sir mainly talked about how to study maths in the right way and what approach we should follow throughout the year. It was more about building the right mindset and understanding how to stay consistent. In class 11th, I didn't focus much on maths because my main focus on biology along with physics and chemistry. But this year, I've decided to give proper attention to maths as well. I want to improve and stay consistent with it from the very beginning. Finally, after the class ends, Sir wraps up the session. I then pack up things and organize my study table. But wait, the day is not over yet. After my classes, I still have my biology lectures left. I study biology through telegrams, so I sit down at night to continue it. This was my last lecture of human reproduction chapter. By the time I finished it, it was around 11 pm. Along with the lectures, I also practiced the questions which helped me understand things better. After that, I sat down to complete all the work for today. The questions, homework, and revision for all 3 classes. It took some time, but I wanted to end the day with everything completed. And finally, after finishing all my tasks, I wrapped up my day. And this is how day 1 of Lakshya J 2027 went. A simple but a productive. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.